to can you complete your profile on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do in the first, you just click on this sign here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on edit profile. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on complete profile here. Then here can you select what is your relationship type. When you just add this, you click on continue here. Then here can you, if you want to manage your private signature here, when you manage it, you click here on continue here. Here you select your prompts of your choice, add it here. Then you click here on continue here, and here you upload your photo here. So then when you click on continue here, it's going to take you to add your view here. Then automatically here when you add it, it's going to complete with your profile. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.